Today I'm going to show you how to make something super exciting. It's French buttercream. Not as common as Italian or Swiss, but so creamy, custardy, and delicious. Look at this beautiful natural color you get because French buttercream is made with egg yolks. This is a yolk-based buttercream that is beyond delicious. Let's get started. We're separating the eggs, and it's so weird because normally we're making a meringue-based buttercream for like Swiss or Italian, and the yolks are going to be used later on to make a curd or, a custard, something nice and rich. But today, the whites will be set aside, and we're using the yolks to make a crazy, rich, beautiful buttercream. I'm so excited. Let's do this. Okay, clean hands is the easiest way to separate egg yolks and whites, but you can do it however you'd like. Using the shell is pretty dicey though. Okay, one. You can tell these eggs are super fresh because the whites are so gelatinous, they really hold together. As the egg gets older, the white gets more liquidy and runny, more watery, I should say. The funny thing is though, if you're making a French macaron, you actually want to have an aged egg white. So you don't want this super fresh egg over here. You want it to be a little bit old, a little bit seasoned. It's seen the world. I gotta say, I'm pretty disappointed in the color of these egg yolks. It makes me wish that I was in England or Italy or something where the eggs are beautiful and orange. These go in the trash. This gets set aside for later. We can make a meringue. I do have to pick out a couple eggshells. This is gonna be for our French buttercream. First, let's wash my hands. Into a small pan, I'm adding in a heaping ½ cup of granulated sugar and then 3 tablespoons of water. You can mix it up a bit, bring the heat to medium high. This is gonna get to the softball stage, so about 235, 240 degrees, at which point some magic's gonna happen. Okay, back to those egg yolks. While the sugar's cooking up, we're gonna be adding in our 5 egg yolks into a standing mixer. A little pinch of salt. Mix on high, it's gonna get really different. All right, our sugar reached 240 degrees, and you can tell this is really like a nice lemony yellow color, more pastel. We're gonna be drizzling this in carefully while this is running on like low, medium, low. Be careful. This is not done at all, but I wanted to take a second. Wow, this looks so crazy. My sugar was a little bit hot, it's okay. Continue whipping, has to come to room temp. Whoa, it's crazy what a little whipping can do, and by a little I mean a lot. Very light yellow in color, marshmallowy. It tastes good too. But you know what it needs? A little butter. So we're gonna add in some room temperature butter, and I wanna tell you, it's room temperature, but if you touch the butter, it's gonna be on the cooler side of room temperature. All right, now we're gonna be adding in our butter a little bit at a time while the mixer's running. It's just like Italian or Swiss buttercream. Yeah, just gonna cube the butter really quickly. It's much easier to cube butter when it's ice cold, but you're just breaking it up into like kind of teaspoon-sized pieces. All right, so while this is running on like medium, we're gonna add in our butter a little bit at a time. Let it incorporate, add the next piece in. Remember, you're wishing on a wishing well, dropping coins into the fountain. One wish at a time. This buttercream is gonna be delicious, but it's not gonna be amazing for decorating a cake. You can use it as a filling, you could use it as a cupcake topper, but it doesn't hold its shape as well as the meringue-based buttercreams. All right, we're almost done. And last piece. You can also add like your flavoring at this point, so a little teaspoon of vanilla, teaspoon and a half, orange blossom water, rose water, whatever you'd like. Okay, I want to give this a taste. Here's what it tastes like. It tastes almost like pastry cream. It's very custardy because of all those egg yolks. It's so silky. If you think like those meringue-based buttercreams are silky, oh my gosh, this is insane. It's something so good about it. Okay, I'm gonna put this into a piping bag, show you how it pipes out, and then we're done. I'm very curious, going down to cupcake level, so bear with me. This is how it happens. Let's see. That looks nice. I'm happy. Ooh, look how cute this is. That looks nice. Look at this. It's a beautiful natural yellow color, and I have to tell you, it is so delicious. This is one of my favorite chocolate cupcake recipes, by the way. It's on preppykitchen.com, of course. French buttercream is totally underrated. I think we need to have a French buttercream movement in this country. Really put it out there. All those delicious yolks. Oh my gosh, so creamy, and it's like a custard. But you could also use it as a base for like a fruit tart too, if you didn't want to make a custard. Just an idea I'm putting out there. I'm gonna save these for dinner tonight, but I will take a taste of this again for you. Oh my gosh. It's so good. I can't describe how custardy and creamy and delicious it is. Give it a try. I hope you love it. Be careful of your sugar temperature though, because you can't take it up too high. If you do, it'll like crystallize onto the sides and it'll be a little bit problematic. So just be careful of that sugar temp. It needs to be at the softball stage, not above 240 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm so excited for you to try this. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and if you have any comments, leave them below.